Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Predecessor Error Code PRX-10754. The error reads Matchmaking Error. Unable to queue for match, please try again later. As per our research, the error comes when players try to queue for a match. The matchmaking fails, and the error appears on the screen. According to our research, this error is likely caused by temporary connection issues or server-side problems. First, restart your system and check if the game is updated to its latest version. If there's an update, install it and try queuing again. If you still have the error, then restart your router and check if the error still comes after reconnecting. If the error still continues, then try connecting over a different Wi-Fi network or a mobile hotspot and check for the error again. If you still have the error, then probably the error is coming from the server side. In this case, wait for some time and try again later. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.